So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so whenever we uploaded a video so you get notified. And if you like our video, please comment below so we should know your response and all that. Thank you.